All right, we are about to start our bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. Gonna catch a big one. We're not scared. We're not scared. It's a beautiful day. Okay, in order to start our bear hunt, I am giving you all maps. Okay? Keep this up. Keep this really close and hold it tight. All right, cameraman, here you go. All right, let's go on this bear hunt.
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. We're going.
Okay, put on your binoculars. Do we see one? I see a bear. Oh, guys, what do we need to do when we see a bear? Let's sneak up. Let's sneak up to it. Okay, now we see one. So, when we see one, we need to run. Ready? Run, 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 run. Okay, whew, we're safe. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, when we come to a street, we need to stop. We need to look left. We need to look right. We need to look left again. Okay, let's go.
We're going on a bear hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt. Gonna catch a big one. Gonna catch a big one. We're not scared. We're not scared. It's a beautiful day. to run. Run, 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 run.
Thank you.
Great time going on in this bear hunt. Thank you so much for willing to put out a bear and help us out. It seriously meant so much to us. Although we weren't able to get to all the bears in town, we appreciate it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video of our in-town bear hunt. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can see future videos of our fun adventures. Have a good day. Bye!